Hello friends, welcome to my channel Scientist Words. I'm your friend Ashwin. Today we're going to discuss on a topic about Gregor Mendel, the father of modern genetics and his groundbreaking pea plant experiments. Meet Gregor Mendel, the monk who turned pea plants into the key to unlocking the secret of genetics. Born in 1822, Mendel's work was like a genetic treasure hunt that led to the discovery of fundamental principles of heredity. His pea plant experiments might seem humble, but they laid the groundwork for modern genetics and changed how we understand inheritance. Mendel's scientific journey was a classic case of how big discoveries can come from small beginnings. Mendel's experiments with pea plants were like a detective story. He meticulously studied traits such as flower color, seed shape, and plant height, tracking these traits over several generations. By analyzing the patterns of inheritance, Mendel was able to uncover the basic principles governing how traits are passed from parents to offspring. His work was a genetic puzzle that he solved with a remarkable precision and insight. Mendel's law of inheritance were like a revolutionary genetic handbook. The law of segregation explained that each individual carries two alleles for each trait, which separate during the formation of gametes. The law of independent assortment stated that genes for different traits were inherited independently of each other, and the concept of dominant and recessive traits helped explain how certain characteristics prevail over others. Mendel's law were the rules that make the complex game of heredity more understandable and predictable. Gregor Mendel's impact on modern genetics were like planting the seeds for an entire field of science. His principles became the foundation of classical genetics, influencing future research and development of genetic theory. Although his work was largely forgotten during his lifetime, it was rediscovered in the early 20th century, leading to a revolution in the study of genetics. Mendel's discoveries were a genetic blueprint that scientists would build upon for generations to come. Gregor Mendel's legacy extends far beyond his pea plant experiments. His work paved the way for major advancements in molecular genetics, helping us understand genetic disorders and inheritance patterns. Today, Mendel's principles continue to influence cutting-edge research in genetic engineering and biotechnology. It's like Mendel's genetic blueprint is still guiding scientists in their quest to unlock the mysteries of our DNA and revolutionize modern medicine. While Gregor Mendel's groundbreaking work went largely unnoticed during his lifetime, his contributions were recognized and celebrated in the early 20th century. Today, Mendel is honored as the father of modern genetics, and his influence is felt across scientific communities worldwide. It's a classic case of a scientist whose genius was ahead of his time, eventually receiving the recognition he received for changing our understanding of heredity. Here are some fun and personal tidbits about Gregor Mendel. Besides his scientific endeavors, Mendel was a passionate beekeeper and he enjoyed working in his garden, which helped inspire his pea plant experiments. Despite his groundbreaking achievements, Mendel lived a relatively humble life, showing that the greatness often comes from a place of quiet dedication and curiosity. It's like a Mendel's life story is a reminder that profound discoveries can come from the simplest and most unexpected places. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about Gregor Mendel, the father of modern genetics, and his groundbreaking pea plant experiments in this video. See you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.